Small Indian bedroom with soft morning sunlight. Indian schoolgirl sitting on bed, sleepy eyes. Tangled long hair on pillow. Girl pulling hair knots, worried expression. Old wall clock ticking. Girl tying hair in hurry. Messy hair reflected in mirror. Girl whispering to herself. School bell ringing in distance. School assembly ground full of students. Teacher staring at girl's hair. Teacher's disapproving eyes. Girl lowering head in shame. Classmate standing awkwardly. Students whispering behind her. Teacher scolding with rule book. Girl nodding silently. Teacher writing complaint note. Note inside school bag. Girl walking home alone. Dusty shoes walking slowly. Anxious thoughts on her face. Door opening slowly. Tired mother sitting silently. Father reading note seriously. Silent family room mother sighing deeply. Father deciding firmly. Cold, gloomy morning girl sitting on scooter. Indian salon exterior. Fear on girl's face. Oversized salon chair. Barber cloth around shoulders. Fearful eyes in mirror. Girl pleading softly. Scissors under harsh light. First haircut moment. Hair falling on floor. Tears blurring mirror. Trembling hands gripping chair. Barber avoiding eye contact. Continuous scissor movement. Long hair disappearing, silent crying. Final snip short hair reveal. Shocked reflection, wind touching neck. Vulnerable walk outside, silent return home. School corridor next day. Family riding scooter, heavy school bag. Students staring. Children laughing. Whispering groups, students looking away. Dismissive comment moment. Teacher approving nod. Pain in her chest. Girl alone at desk. Fingers touching short hair. Tear-filled eyes. Bell ringing, empty class. Silence and stillness. Realization moment. Lonely lunch break. Small figure in big room. Cold discipline atmosphere. Punishment over care. Childhood fading slouched posture. Broken trust symbol. Girl staring out window. Hair slowly regrowing. Hopeful light. Final emotional frame. Memory remains.